Hi, my name is Tony Obum. I'm a YouTuber and I'm here to share with you how I moved from spending 20,000 naira in electricity bills to spending less than 3,000 naira monthly on electricity bills. But before I share the details, I would like to give you guys a quick backstory. So I moved into a new apartment a few months ago, and in this apartment they had the prepaid meter, which you all know, installed in the apartment. Now, this apartment of mine is just a 2-room apartment with just basic appliances like a television, a fridge, 2 fans, my video equipment, my blender, and not so much. I don't even have an AC. But I realized that the first month I spent like 20,000 naira paying, recharging the meter, the prepaid meter. So that was not all. The next month I monitored and checked, how much I spent. I saw the same amount of money. Like I kept on recharging every single week 5,000 naira in electricity bill. I used to buy tariff online, as you guys can see on the screen. So as someone that has used a prepaid meter before, I knew this was unusual. I mean, I have no heavy appliance in my home and I'm spending this much. So I was kind of bothered. Then I went online searching for solution, Googling, YouTube, and nothing seems to be working. Then finally, I just resolved to take matters into my hands and make an official complaint at the EEDC office. So when I got there, fortunately for me, I met the manager, I optioned to meet the manager in charge. So I met the manager and he profiled a solution, and this solution blew my mind. I mean, after I implemented that solution this manager gave me, I ended up spending 2,500 naira per month in an electricity bill. And what was the solution this manager gave to me? Although it doesn't make sense to me, but what he told me was I should go to my apartment and get an electrician to check the connection box in my apartment, that it should be an issue with earthing, on how my apartment was earthed, something like that. So I called an electrician, and the electrician got to check that out, and boom, it was just that. So he did some minor reconnections and all of that, and that was fixed. And if you look on your screen right now, you see that the last time I recharged was around October 1st, and that was a recharge of 5,000 naira, and this is November 30th, and I still have up to 6 units on my prepaid meter machine, as you guys can see. So that means I ended up saving a whopping amount of 15,000 naira. Not even more than that. I mean, more than 15,000 naira on my electricity bill. Okay, so what is the purpose of sharing this story and doing this video? The purpose is that I know a lot of you out there that are facing this same challenge, that are spending way more than they consumed, most especially when it regards to this prepaid meter in Nigeria. So if you are someone that has been in my shoes, please, I would like you to reach out to people that install that prepaid meter. If you really know that you don't have much of an appliance, you don't have an AC, or you have not steady light in your apartment, and you're spending more than you feel that you should be spending on electricity bill, please call the people that install the prepaid meter, and they should come and look at it. And trust me, it should be, even if it's not something with the earthing of your apartment, there should be a fault with that prepaid meter, and this single decision, if fixed, will help you save a lot of money. So please, I hope this information will be useful to anyone watching this video. Please share, like, and if you love this kind of content, please make sure you like my page for more. Thank you guys, and don't forget to share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.